Hello, welcome to today's session of Fix It Friday. Today we're going to be covering off inventory transfer and a feature that SAP Business One struggles with and how we can fix that problem using Versago. So the challenge before we put in the Fix It Friday solution was that the inventory manager could not use inventory transfer requests in SAP Business One if you use a bin location because they wanted to tell the pickers exactly where to put away the items into the bin. Into a specific bin location or also where to pick them from. So what we've done is we've built out a couple screens that allow the user to do that. So here in SAP Business One, you can see that I have my O1 warehouse and my O5 warehouse, and this is a bin managed warehouse, but you can see in SAP there's no option for us to be able to assign a bin. So in Versago, what we've done is we've built an inventory transfer request screen, and this is where the manager can enter in the information of where they want to transfer the information, the stock from and to. And here it's going to look and it's going to see that it's a general warehouse is non-bin managed, so it's going to say not applicable. And here we can tell the picker exactly what bin location to put that item into. And we can look up the item by item name or item code at this point and choose our item. We can then enter in the quantity of how many we want them to transfer. And we can either say save and new and choose another item to transfer, or save and close, and we can close out this document. Now, if we log in as a user of the picker, you can see that Tom has just pending transfer requests as one of his tasks. And here are all the transfer requests that he's been asked to do and the items that he needs to pick. Now, these might be in different locations or different warehouses. He picks up his document, he validates where to get the item from and where to put it away to. And at this point, he can simply just say save and close, and that performs the transfer. So when we go into SAP Business One, you can see that the transfer has been performed for the 10 units to the O5 warehouse, and it shows us the bin location that that transaction's been moved to. And if we go back to our inventory transfer request list here, you can see that now that document number 15 is removed because we performed that transfer. So what this has allowed our users to do is really increase the productivity of the employees because instead of having to use fields and then update information later and having inventory that's not in a real-time fashion because we didn't have the ability to perform this work, stock is now picked and put away to where the inventory managers want the stock to either be picked from or placed into, and the inventory levels are accurate right to the bin level because this is happening in a real-time fashion. The people that power small and growing business need to connect to the business for hundreds of reasons all day long, day in and day out. They need the connection to be reliable, the interaction to be simple. Versago is a portal that enables a business to support key processes and interactions between employees, customers, suppliers, or other partners while staying lockstep with SAP Business One. Thank you for attending this week's session of Fix It Friday, and I look forward to getting some use case examples from you.